Hey everyone! Stop plotting your layouts one by one. If you have 10 tabs and you're creating 10 separate PDFs, you're wasting time. In 2026, the batch plot feature is still the king of efficiency. Today, I'm showing you the exact settings to merge every single layout into one professional PDF file in seconds. Let's get to it. Step 1. Open the Batch Plot menu. First, make sure all your layout tabs are set up and ready to go. Right-click on any layout tab at the bottom and select Publish Selected Layouts, or just type the command Publish and hit Enter. This opens the main multi-sheet plotting window. Step 2. Clean your sheet list. In the Sheet Name list, you might see model space or tabs you don't need. Select the sheets you want to remove and click the minus icon. You should only be left with the layouts you actually want in your final PDF. You can drag and drop them here to change the page order. Step 3. Set Publish To PDF. Look at the top of the window under Publish To. Select PDF from the drop-down menu. Right below that, in the PDF preset, choose AutoCAD PDF for general documentation for the best balance of file size and quality. Step 4. Enable multi-sheet file. This is the most important step to make sure you get one file instead of many. Click on Publish Options in the top right. Look for the type setting and make sure it is set to multi-sheet file. While you're here, ensure Include Layer Information is checked if you want your PDF to have toggleable layers. Click OK. Step 5. Publish and save. Now just hit the Publish button at the bottom. AutoCAD will ask you where to save the file and what to name it. Pick your folder, hit Select, and let it run in the background. You'll see a small plotter icon in the bottom right corner. When it disappears, your single combined PDF is ready to send. One click, one file, total professional. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.